Well, everyone, the WatchOS 27 update has just came out, and you might be wondering if you can go through and install this update on your Apple Watch SE 2nd generation. Now, the short answer of this is no. There is no way for us to go through and actually install this update on our Apple Watch SE 2. Now, I wish there was, but Apple decided to cut corners here and they decided to basically just limit what versions of software WatchOS is kind of coming into now. And they actually dropped support for a lot of different devices here. So starting off with the Apple Watch Series 9, 10, 11, it basically starts at those watches. So you have to have an Apple Watch Series 9 or above, an Apple Watch Ultra 2 or above, or an Apple Watch SE 3 or above. Those are the only watches that are supported on this version of software. Now, like I said, I really wish they didn't do that, and I wish we did get a couple of more updates here and there, but unfortunately they didn't really do that, and there's not really too much we can really do about it from that standpoint. So if you have an Apple Watch SE 2, you will basically just have to wait out until they, either they're never going to release it on this version of software, so you're basically just stuck. But WatchOS 26 is still good enough for the most part, but it is very strange that they didn't support it on the SE 2. So in terms of that basically covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.